How safe is your socket? What looks like a perfectly normal wall plug could be hiding serious electrical faults, and the KPS CC800 UK socket tester is designed to uncover them in just seconds. Whether you are a professional electrician or an apprentice learning the ropes, this compact, easy-to-use tool is essential. Plug it directly into any socket and instantly get a clear reading from its bright LED indicators plus an acoustic beep for extra assurance. But what exactly can it detect? A surprising number of critical faults. It instantly flags a missing earth connection, which could leave your system without proper grounding. It identifies when leaf and earth wires are reversed, a configuration that poses a serious risk of electric shock. It also detects if the leaf and neutral wires have been swapped, and warns you if the neutral wire is missing entirely. And when everything's wired correctly, you will get a clear and unmistakable confirmation, giving you confidence before plugging any device or appliance. The CC800 UK is built with safety in mind. It's ideal for domestic and light commercial use. Whether you're checking sockets in a new property, verifying your work on a renovation, or simply making sure your home is safe, this tester does the job quickly and reliably. Wiring problems aren't just inconveniences. They can cause electric shocks, damage sensitive electronics, or even start fires. A 10-second test with the CC800 UK can help prevent all of that. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe for more smart tools and tips.